Good morning everyone, I am Mary Abigail Amora, and for today's report, I will going to discuss about the cry of Balintawak or the cry of PUGAD LAWIN. The term cry is translated in the Spanish El Grito de Rebelión means the cry of rebellion or El Grito for short. The cry of PUGAD LAWIN was the beginning of the Philippine Revolution against the Spanish Empire. At the close of August 1896, member of Katipunan's secret society, led by Andres Bonifacio, rose up and revolved somewhere in the area referred to Caloocan. Wider than the jurisdiction of the present day, Caloocan may have overlapped into the present-day Quezon City. Originally, the term cry referred to the first clash between the Katipuneros and the civil guards or the civil guardia. It could also refer to the tearing up of the community tax certificates or cedulas personales in defiance of their allegiance to Spain. Oligario Diaz, who was the officer of the Spanish Guardia Civil, stated that the cry happened in Balintawak in August 25, 1896. As you can see in the left side of the PowerPoint, Santiago Alvarez, as a Katipunero and a son of Mariano Alvarez, who was the leader of the Magdiwang faction in Cavite. In 1927, the cry happened at Bahay Toro, now in Quezon City, August 24, 1896. The person at the center is Dr. Pio Valenzuela Andres Bonifacio, close associate, declared in 1948 that the event took place on August 23, 1896 in PUGAD LAWIN. Lastly, Gregorio Zaide stated that the cry happened in Balintawak on August 26, 1896. The cry defined as the turning point where the Filipinos finally refused the Spanish colonial dominion over the Philippine Islands. With the tears in their eyes, the people as one man pulled out their cedulas and tore them into pieces. It was the beginning of the formal declaration of the separation from the Spanish rule. Not all statements describe of cedulas on the last day of August, but the version of Agoncillo, which based on the statement of Pio Valenzuela, including the others, who insisted that the cry happened in PUGAD LAWIN instead of Balintawak, and its source of the Philippine government official commemoration. The first cry of revolution did not happen in Balintawak where the monument is, but in the place called PUGAD LAWIN. In 1936, Valenzuela, along with Bricio Pantas and Enrique Pacheco, stated that the first cry of revolution did not happen in Balintawak, but in a place called PUGAD LAWIN. In 1946, a research team of National Historical Institution identified that the location as part of Sitio Gulod, Banlat, Caloocan City. The NHI described that this location as the house of Tandang Sora. That's all for this report. Thank you for listening.